Hello everyone, thank you for engaging with us today. Please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now this question says, evaluate the integral of 3 minus 3x squared over x plus 1 dx. Okay, now without wasting much time, what we're going to do is to start from the numerator. We have 3 minus 3x squared. So we're going to factor out 3 since 3 is common there. So we're going to have the integral 1, 0 of, so we have 3, then put a bracket, place whatever that remains inside a bracket. So what remains here is 1 minus, what remains here is x squared. Because when you use this to multiply this, we're going to have this. So now divided by x plus 1 dx. Okay, now it's very clear that this 3 is a constant. So we're going to bring it outside the integral. So we're going to have 3 multiplied by the integral. We have 1, 0. Now, remember that this 1 here is the same thing as 1 squared. Because 1 squared is the same thing as 1. So we're going to apply difference of 2 squares to evaluate that. And the difference of 2 squares says that a squared minus b squared is the same thing as a minus b into a plus b. So now this is 1 minus x into 1 plus x, then divided by x plus 1 dx. Okay, so here it is very clear that we have 1 plus x in the numerator and the 1 plus x in the denominator. So this we go with this. So we're left with 3 multiplied by the integral 1, 0 of 1 minus x dx. Okay, so now remember that the integral of 1 is equal to x, because the integral of a constant is equal to that constant multiplied by x. So this is 3 multiplied by, we now put our boundary conditions, then the integral of 1 is x, minus the integral of x is x squared over 2. All right, so we now substitute. Whenever we see x, we put 1 there. That's the first approach. So now we're going to have 3 multiplied by, so anywhere we see x now, we put 1. So we're going to have 1 minus 1 squared, and 1 squared is the same thing as 1. So we have 1 over 2. Then minus, anywhere we see x, we put 0. So we're going to have 0 minus 0 over 2. So we're going to have 3 multiplied by 1 minus half is half. Then 0 minus 0 over 2 is equal to 0. Everything there is equal to 0. So we multiply this with this. Then 3 times half is 3 over 2. And 3 over 2 is the same thing as 1 whole number, 1 over 2. So that is the solution to this problem. Thank you very much for your audience.